Gerardo Pisarello.
Thank you very much. We are not supposed to speak today, but as Sada said, we are ashamed of injustice. We feel anger, but we also don't give up. We don't resign. We also feel hope. We are the rebel cities of the punished South. They told us it was impossible that ordinary people without links with the establishment, without links with the financial power with the big media, could win an election in our municipalities, and we've made it possible. They told us there was no alternative. They told us we had to be slaves of austerity, and in these 8 months we've been in the government of our cities. We have shown that it was possible to stop evictions. We have shown that it was possible to force banks to give up empty buildings for social housing. We have shown that it was possible to stop privatization of nursery schools, of health centers. We have shown that it was possible to promote cooperative economy. And now we know that that's not paradise. We know that that's not the end of history. But that's important for many of our neighbors that have suffered the crisis of all these years. Now our cities need this European movement. Our cities need this European movement to protect them or to protect us from austerity, to protect us from the blackmailing of the Troika. And we think that this new European movement needs also the new municipalism. This new European movement needs also the strength of local democracy, the strength of the rebel cities. Because it's just by winning the right to the city from below as we will be able to fight the dictatorship of austerity. Yanis said just a minute ago, he was speaking about the nightmare of the 30s, and he said that we cannot repeat this nightmare. We have the duty to intervene. In the 30s of the 20th century, Barcelona, as many Spanish cities, opened their arms to many people, to men and women who came from across the world to fight for democracy against the dictatorship of Franco. Now we need these international brigades again. Now we need and these international brigades are the European movement that we are starting here. That's what we need. We deeply believe that it was cities where democracy was invented, and that it will be from our cities, from our neighborhoods, from our towns, that we can win it back. Thank you very much.